Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, please you are new to this channel, guys, make sure you do what to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also guys follow the telegram so you will not miss out on any single update. Now let's see what we will be expecting on our GBP USD. So let's start with our daily time frame and we will need to look at the trend to understand what GBP USD is doing. So we need to understand the trend of the GBP USD, and we can clearly see that GBP USD is an uptrend move. So take a look at this moment here, right? We had this high, then GBP USD eventually gave us an higher low. Then here comes the higher high. GBP USD gave us higher low. Then here comes the higher high. Markets eventually give us higher low. So market did what again? An higher high, and this is our higher low. So markets we are expecting to push up again to give us a new higher high. So that is to tell you that our next forecast, our next movement on GBP USD is a bullish move that should be giving us a new higher high. Now that is for the week, by the way. That is what we'll be expecting for the week. Now let's see what we'll be expecting for Monday, which is for the day once market does open. So what can you see right here? You can clearly see that we've highlighted a key level, and that key level is our support level. So we can call it the demand zone. So when market comes here, market rejects and push up. So when markets also come here again, we also see it give us a rejection and push up. Then came here again, give us a rejection, then push up. So market eventually broke this. So we had a rejection, all right, it pushed up, eventually came back to retest this level. So we are now expecting a rejection from this level that will push it up. So now market has now dropped back to this our support level. So we should be expecting another rejection from this level. Guess what? That will push up. So if in case GBP USD drop a little bit, expect it to actually push up again. So probably on our 1 hour time frame, GBP USD might likely come back to retest this level, fully our support level, then it will push it up, or we might see it start pushing up once the market opens. So any of these two levels is a potential push up level for our GBP USD. But before you go ahead and enter it, make sure you get your buy setup, right? Only enter once you get the buy setup. If there is no buy setup, it will be best you do not enter it. So if there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like and share.